Hello there. Do you want to learn how to build a complete sales funnel in the really easy way, but at the same time in the really professional way? So please click on the link below and I'm going to show you everything. My name is Virginia Gonzalez. I'm a specialist in digital marketing and this is Impacto Digital Sweden. Okay guys, welcome to my screen. Right now, before we start, so the only thing I need to say, and we're gonna use Builder some platform because I already used for many months ago, and I think it's the best platform right now to start up entrepreneurs and companies in general. So who really want to work with marketing and make their own marketing online. So by the way, if you don't have this platform right now, I'm gonna leave a link below this video so you can also try 7 days free, and you don't need to leave any credit card, anything. So without say more on that, so let's start. When you come to the platform, if you don't have any of them tools here, so the only things you need to do is install more tools, and you're gonna just click on the Canvas funnel builder. We're gonna start with that. Right now it's really hot here, so I think, oh my god, Sweden, how they can be like this. But I'm really happy, by the way. So here we're gonna just click on the add funnel, and we're gonna just write a name, video course. Okay, video course, and click next. Here we have different pages or different funnels already ready for use, but by this video we're gonna use a blank page. Click in blank page and let's create it. When we come to this page, we just have a button to click and select start there. So what we need to do, so think like that. When you sell a product, often you make an ads in social media or in any platform to create traffic to your web page or to sell funnel. So the first thing we need to do is collect all these potential customers and prospects to a list. So let's start do like that. First we need an Optin Page, and by this Optin Page we're gonna send these people who sign up here to an email marketing system. So when we already have that, so we can just configure our theme. We can select our theme for a really easy way. Of course, you can customize all this by yourself and really exactly as you want. We select here, and what happened when the people already left their name and email. So we double click and form and edit element. So we're still being in the same page. So we want when they sign up in this page, we would like to pending them to an confirmation email, because we want to be sure and they want to be within our list, they want to get our contents at the same time, so we need this list to send our offer after that. So when we have a confirm email, so we can say right here, we just change the theme. We're gonna still use the same theme for this can have coherence, so we can use this one for diet. We can use anything and we can customize by ourselves when we have already the sales funnel finished. Okay, here, and what happened when the people just be pending. We want when the person already confirm our email, we want send them to another page. In this point, we can send them to the sell page. So think like that. First, the people who come here, the person who come here, they going to leave their email and email. We're gonna collect their data to start sending email sequence to them to convert them to really convert them from prospect to really customers. So this means to sell. And after that, we will see here, when we have here in sell page, we get also in checkout. So when the person page here, when they page here, they need to come to check out one offer, and there we need to send them to another page. So let's start here. So when we do double click and edit elements, and here the only things we need to do and put a name. Cell exists, no, checked, check out, we can, here is the title and of this we're gonna sell. We can say here if we have the same tema like diet and nutrition, so we can say here diet plant. Diet. We can say keto diet plan. 30 days. 30 days. And the price we can just write $1.00. We always need to write the cents. And what happened with these people already page? We need to send them to another page, and of course there needs to be some success. So here we can send them to a thank you page, and just when they page and they come to the thank you page, we can send them to another page. In this point, we're gonna use a membership page. So but just the people who really page our products can get access to this member page. So let's start first figure out here. So all the pages have the same theme. Here we see here, select. Okay, and thank you page. We can just pick this one. And so we can just we can also do a downsell. This means when the people maybe already make all this system, we can see and they open every page, but they no page in the last checkout. So we can also send already a new offer. There maybe they have other possibilities to these people. So we don't really miss these prospects who already show to us at they are interested in our product or in this what we sell online. So here, when we want right now we need to the last page, the membership page. So only the people who page going to have access to this membership page. So they can look our stuff, they can have access to our book, web course, and something like that. Membership page. And this is perfect. So when we are here, we click double click in the same page and we can edit this. We're gonna change the theme, but for make this membership page, we need also to make a new lookout. So all these systems we make already, so we're gonna have one lookout for that, and also just the people who page in our system in this first checkout going to have access to our membership page. So we need to just make a new lookout. And here, so easy is that. So we can say here membership, or we just click another color, yellow, and just click in restricted, because we no can get just the people who page going to have access to this page. So here we can just click in user tokens both, and we can give access so automatically. So just means they're gonna get directly access to the membership page, or manual pagement. So we click in manual pagement, or when they confirm email marketing. So something else. For this example, we're gonna click in manual pagement. Okay, so here, for to be really sure we make everything right, so we need to do that. Here we click one more time and check out. This means when the people register themselves here, they're gonna start to get an email marketing system. And after that, first they need to confirm our email to send. We're gonna send them to a sell page, and when they page, they come to an offer and check out, and just when they page our products, they're gonna go to a thank you page. But just them who page our products going to have access to our stuff. This means our product, info products, ebooks, web course, and wherever we sell. So it's why, so we need to come back here and check out, and just click in membership in the new lookout. So this means just the people who already page gonna come to thank you page and gonna go to get access to our products. So we can see here, we will see here, wait a minute, here is membership. We need to change also the lookout here, for we can give the right instructions to all the system. So to this point, we already make one simple sales funnel, but actually in the way how everything can be functional. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to make one email marketing system directly from this example. So see you in next video.